Hello friend, and you're welcome to another series of video on my future trading experience and also daily trading. So today I have a shocking news because my last video you can see I passed my evaluation account, so I got my funded account for the 50,000 futures account. And now it's kind of heartbreaking because I'm about to lose the account. We all know what is happening with Iran and the US, so the market is kind of very tricky to trade now because it can just go up and suddenly it can go down. So I was trading the market; it was actually going very good, and now I'm about to lose the account. Let me just show you. So this is my funded next account, and if I go to features now, I go to dashboard, and from this dashboard you can see I started the funded account with 50,000, and now you can see what I have left. The balance now is 48,331, and my loss on this account is 1,666. And if you deduct that from the 50,000, so permitted loss now you can see here is just 331. So if I lose the 331 remaining on the account, it means I'm going to blow the account. Thereby I have to buy another evaluation account, trade it for 3 days to meet up with the profit target, and hopefully I get another funded account. But well, I'm still trying my best. If I can revive this account, probably take it back to the 50,000 initial deposit on the account, and also start to make some profit. As you can see here, my withdrawable amount here is 0, which means instead of making profit on this account, I've acquired some losses and about to lose the account. This is the reality of trading, and a lot of people might be experiencing the same. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Just make sure that your winnings are more than your losses. So yeah, this account now is, I can say it's a £100 account. It's about $150 account. So for you to get the 50,000 on funding next. So but well, life goes on. If I blow the account, I'll get another one and try again. So because I believe in my strategy works. Just that because of what is going on in the world now, the market is really fluctuating. Even if you set everything, make everything right, it might not even go your way, and it might just, the market just keep spiking, and there's so many irregularities in the market now. So if I'm trading this account, or if I'm getting a new account, now I know I have to be more careful and also watch the market, listen to the news, especially the financial news, in order to really understand what is going on in the world and how it can affect my trading. So far there is no hard feelings, because I've gone to that stage whereby my mental ability is actually very good. So if I'm losing an account, it doesn't affect me because I know I can easily get another one and keep trading until I make profit and withdraw it. So guys, if you want to start trading as well, I will say you can join Funded Next. Funded Next is actually a very good prop firm. Since I started trading futures with them, I've withdrew over $6,000. So which I'm going to if I've not dropped the video yet, I'm going to do a video to show you. And on my last video, actually I'll show you. You can check the video here. I actually show you how much I've withdrew from the Funded Next. So Funded Next account is actually very good. I've tried some other websites as well. I've tried them, but I can tell you that Funded Next is actually one of the best. Yeah, I can tell you that Funded Next is actually one of the best. I've tried what is it called, the Take Profit Trader, but I'm still sticking to Funded Next because their rules is not really like the other one. Supposing this funded account was from Take Profit, by now the account will have been blown. Yeah, because on their funded account, once you lose about 1,600, yeah, the account will automatically be blown and you cannot trade with the account. And if you want to reset, their reset fee for funded account is about $600, which is ridiculous. Yeah, so there's no point resetting the funded account when you can buy another one and it will just take time to pass the evaluation and you can get another funded account. So yeah, it's just me showing you my honesty in trading, that every time it might not be a good time, but once you get to your profit and you're able to withdraw, you can actually recover all the losses that you've made on buying account, blowing account. So I want you to keep your head straight, keep the motivation going on. You only quit when you stop. So when you keep trading, the more experience you have, but once you quit, that means you're losing your experience. You will not be aware with what is happening in the market anymore. You have to go back to the beginning. But for me, I'm not quitting until I become a millionaire trading futures or forex. So guys, this is my video for today. If you like this content, it's a very cool and calm content. If you like it, please share with your friend. Let's grow this channel together, and subscribe, comment. I want you to comment where you're watching from, which country you're watching from, and also if you are in the same if you are on the same boat with me, like you win someday, you lose someday, but you keep going, you keep pushing because you know you're going to get there eventually. Just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about futures trading. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about forex if you're also trading forex. But this is me, Kay, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.